Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create an Apple Pay invoice with a QR code. So it's actually pretty simple, guys. So before we get started though, guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, just open up Safari or Google Chrome and go to google.com, and here just type in link to QR code like this, and here you can click on the first link or the second link. It doesn't really matter what kind of a website you're using, but I just click on the first link, and here you just have to put in your Apple Pay invoice link. It can be from PayPal or anything like that, and here you can name your QR, add contact category. Make sure you know that these two are optional, so you just have to put in your link and click on customize and download QR. So this is how you create an Apple Pay invoice with a QR code. So if you found this video to be helpful, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.